In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Wix site to start over. If you want to return your Wix website to its original state and begin again from a clean starting point, this process is straightforward. Just keep in mind that restoring an earlier version of your site will replace your current content with a previous version. So make sure you're ready before confirming the change. First, open your Wix editor. This is where you manage and customize your website. And it's the easiest place to begin the reset process. Once the editor has loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Site. After that, hover over Site in the menu and select Site History. Then click Go to Site History. If you prefer, you can also reach the same area from your site dashboard by going to Settings. And then Website Settings. Both paths bring you to the page where Wix stores your site's saved versions over time. When you arrive at Site History, you'll see a timeline of changes and saved versions. What you need to do here is scroll all the way down to the absolute bottom of that history timeline. You are looking for the very first log, which is typically the earliest version of the site. In many cases, this will be the blank or original template version that your website started with. Before restoring anything, click the Arrow Preview button. This is an important step because it lets you check that you are about to restore the correct version. Take a moment to confirm that it really is the blank, original template and not just an older edited version of your site. Previewing first helps avoid mistakes and gives you confidence before moving forward. Once you've confirmed it's the version you want, click Restore. Wix will usually ask you to confirm your choice. When that message appears, click Restore again to start fresh. After that, your site will be reset to that earlier original version, allowing you to rebuild it from the beginning. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.